Hi everyone, welcome to DT's premiere where technical drawing is made simple. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to support the channel and help reach more students. Let's begin. For this video, you will learn how to bisect a line. Alright, you'll need your ruler, pencil, and your compass. So the first thing we are going to do is to get our rulers and we're going to place it at a position on the paper that is not taking up too much space so we can place other drawings there. We're going to draw a line AB 5 centimeters long. That's the same as 50 millimeters. Label A on one side and B on the opposite side. After this has been done, you're going to take your compass and ensure that the pencil point and the compass point are aligned and on the same plane so you can place it on the table and ensure that it's flat and placed properly. Tighten. Then with your eyes, you're going to estimate where half of the line is. Place your compass point at A and push the pencil point past half the line. So when you're bisecting a line, it's always going to be a case where you open your compass to more than half the line. Not too close to B and not too close to the middle. Just enough past the middle of the line. All right. So now that we have done that, we're going to keep this radius and we're going to scribe our first arc. So this arc is pretty much coming from above A and we're going all the way around back to A. All right, let me do that again. So above A and we're going all the way around back to A. All of this should be light. So every single thing you're doing now should be in construction lines. If you have darkened anything, especially the arc, you can just take your eraser and slightly erase it so it looks lighter and neater. All right. Now, keeping the same radius, we're going to place the point at B and describe an arc from above B going back to B. This is just to ensure that we have cut our previous arc two different places. So we have two different intersections or two different points, one above the line and one below the line. After you have done this, you can put your compass aside, take your ruler and turn it vertically. All right. So we can draw a line that is cutting through the intersection above AB where the arcs meet and below AB where the arcs meet. This should be a light line also. Remember, we draw everything with light lines first, then after we are finished, we will darken the important parts of the drawing or what we call outline. Now that that is done, let's label C and D. These are our new points at the ends of the line. All right. So we have a line AB and now a line CD, which is the perpendicular bisector that is cutting line AB in half. So now we are going to outline AB because that is one of the important lines. So just place your ruler against the line and darken the line without double lining. All right, so take your time. For CD, you're going to do the same thing. Darken the line. Be sure not to double line as well. Now that that is done, you have bisected a line. If you were supposed to do this in the opposite direction, we would use the same concept. All right. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.